What's up, guys? Today, we're not going to be playing normal Animal Company. We're going to be playing OG Animal Company with my friend here.
That's right!
Okay. Get out.
Can we go into the adventure?
Yeah. Keep on forgetting it's not trigger to pick up stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like, let's go to those monsters.
Yeah. Wait, does this shotgun have infinite ammo?
Yeah. Yes.
Yay. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, my friend here is a modder for this game. So he can give me a limited ammo shotgun.
Yeah. So like, let's go into the chickens.
Yeah, let's kill the chicken.
I kill the chicken.
The egg. Here, I'll grab the egg. Wait, why didn't I go in? Oh, you gotta grab it.
Yeah.
Here, I'll grab some of this other stuff.
I literally hear the Armstrong.
I've
I
never.
hear the
Forgot there's no.
Oh no! Oh! What the hell?
Oh no. Yeah, dude, I kind of did, so I'm gonna need another shotgun.
Yeah.
Why did he respawn so quickly?
I don't know.
It's crazy. Respawn so fast.
Yo, yeah, like they respawn for like for like 16 minutes. Or like 1 minute.
Is everyone excited for Halloween? Put your comments
Yeah,
down
like,
below on what your costumes are gonna be.
My costume is why so serious Joker is. What is your costume?
Alright. Let's kill the chicken. Wait, should we kill the Armstrong or the red light, green light, or the chicken?
Maybe the red light, green light.
Yeah, because we killed the chicken. We haven't killed the red light, green light yet. Oh my god. It's a rabbit. No, I can't get up to me. Oh. I killed him.
Oh, you killed him?
Yeah, I killed him.
Yeah, like, look like you spawned in before.
Oh, it's a boombox. Why is there just a boombox here?
Oh, but like, look. Wait.
Okay. Yeah. I'm tired of this. A bunch of people could do a backflip. I could do a backflip too.
No.
Should we kill the Armstrong now?
Yeah.
Wait. Was the Armstrong in OG Animal Company? Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh!
Oh my god. I killed him.
Of course there's an Armstrong.
Oh yeah, I was just curious. If the
There's
blue-
the Armstrong.
Where's he going?
Um,
Oh! He hit me.
yeah. So like, there's a bomb in this, but like, you cannot kill a bomb in this version.
You can't? Oh, you can.
You cannot kill
Oh,
a
he's happy.
bomb.
Oh no.
What the hell? What the hell?
Armstrong? He was going after me.
Yeah. So like, do you know Adventure Company?
No. Authentic company?
Adventure Company it's like the same OG. They have a anglerfish.
Oh, I tried searching up an adventure company in itch.io. I didn't see it though.
Oh wait, yeah, you have to go to like, OG Company. From HO.io.
Huh. Oh,
You,
feels so good to be back in OG Animal Company. Wait, should we go to sewers?
yeah. There's no sewers in this version.
There's not? I always thought there was. Oh, I'm stuck.
Are you stuck?
Yeah. Are you sure there's no sewers? I thought there was.
There. Like,
There is.
Like they showing the a tree log.
What if I shoot that landmine?
Of course you could.
Oh. Yeah, see? There's a sewers.
There's look at that.
Oh.
That's a rock.
Well, you could just go through.
It's also two rocks. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh. This is
Whoops, my finger slipped.
Oh.
Whoops, my finger slipped. Oops. Your shotgun's right here. Oh, you scare me. I know where your shotgun is.
Where?
Don't do
Where
that
is it?
sound again. That's so creepy. It sounds like a demon. Wait, we should go to lake.
Lake?
Yeah.
There's no lake. There's.
Aw, dang it. I thought there was.
Yeah, you know? Why is it going slow? Hey!
My bad, you started.
Why does this look like the cat? It looks like a cat, like.
Looks like an alien.
No, it looks like a cat. Look. Oh, those slime.
Oh! Oh, I'm sorry, man. You startled me.
What's going on? I heard a noise. Somebody downstairs?
Oh, God, Meg, you startled me. I'm sorry.
Oh, God, Meg, you startled me. I'm sorry.
You just killed me, by the way.
Not my fault. We sell those.
Do you have oldest company reborn?
What? What is that?
Do you have old company reborn oldest?
No.
I have.
Oh, an iPad. Doesn't work though.
Yeah, but like why does a crowbar cost like $4.99? Oh shit! Oh! What the? At least
Dang
you
it.
were alive. What just happened to you? Oh, also look! Hey! No! Please.
What?
Look. Wait. Do not
My
kill me
patience
yet.
is.
Actually, why are you trying to kill me?
I don't know. Music?
Wait.
Yeah, drop your weapons for the stance. Drop your weapons for the stance. Drop your weapons for the stance. If you want to dance, you gotta drop all your weapons.
Dude, Trevor still, that I was spinning around,
Yo, if you want to dance, you gotta drop all your weapons. No weapons allowed in this game. Fuck. I won't start the music till you drop all your weapons. Oh no. No, please. No. Yep, I made it first.
Why are you looking like a monkey?
Yeah. Oh no. My bad.
Bro, stop killing me.
My bad. Oopsies.
Actually, wait.
I thought you were gonna kill me. Huh. You were trying to kill me. No killing me.
I am not gonna kill. I am gonna fly into the air. Look.
Yeah.
Wait.
Boo. You scare me. You scared me.
Ah, shit. No, do not kill me.
Why not?
Do not kill me. Do not kill me. Also, do you look my name? Look my
show me
name.
your Gia. Show me your Gia and I won't kill you. Good boy. A good boy. I'm gonna go to outer space. Yo, are you good? Are you good?
Yes.
I'm gonna go to outer
Wait, I
space.
can't move.
My bad. You can't move.
Look, I can still die.
Why can't you move?
Also, do you wait. Does it?
Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure you are liked and subscribed, and if you want more, and turn that notification bell on. See you later.